We came here to submit proposal for the group to undertake the feasibility study of, we call it PEWEx, Pangasinan East-West Expressway, at no cost to the government of Pangasinan. This is a proposal to conduct this study where will it be feasible to construct the East to West Expressway under the public-private partnership, or can it be constructed on a hybrid basis where government participation is needed, where they construct areas where there is no traffic and allow the private sector to build the section where there are traffic so that they can recover investments. I would like to thank the governor for allowing the partners to present this proposal. This is just a preliminary, exploring the possibility of building or constructing the PEWEx. It is part of the governor's vision to really provide better transport facilities to the province and connecting the east to the west. I assure you, this group has been my partners for the last 29 years. Together, we built the existing Metro Manila Skyway from Balintawak to Batangas.